which means the lowest common multiple or least common multiple. The least common multiple, LCM, is a method to find the smallest common multiple between any two or more numbers. A common multiple is a number which is a multiple of two or more numbers. LCM denotes the least common multiple of any two or more given numbers. Now, if we consider the multiples of 16 and 20, we get these multiples. Remember, every number is a multiple of itself, and 16 is the first multiple of 16, which is 1 times 16. 2 times 16 is 32, 3 times 16 is 48, 4 times 16 is 64, etc. And if we look at 20, 1 times 20 is 20, 2 times 20 is 40, 3 times 20 is 60, 4 times 20 is 80. Notice that we have our first common multiple. The first common multiple that we find for the two numbers is the least common multiple, since there are other common multiples of 16 and 20. But we stop at the first one we find. And the other method we're looking at is prime factorization. Some people will see this as a little easier, perhaps, especially if you're struggling with highest common factor. So let's look at that one. So we find we prime factorize 21 according to what we do here. So we're gonna divide by the first prime number that can enter 21 is 3, goes 7 times. And the next prime number we're gonna use is 7 because only 7 can enter 7 as a prime number. And so prime factorize 21, we get 3 times 7, right? We prime factorize the next number, which is 36. We divide by 2, get 18. Divide by 2, we get 9. And the only prime number that can enter 9 will be 3. And 3, only prime number can enter itself. And so prime factorizing 36, we get 2 times 2, then 3 times 3. And what we want to do is to select the highest number of times a number occurs in both sets. So if you look at 2 occurs the most in this set. It does not occur in this at all. So we're looking at 2 times 2. And 3 occurs the most in this set. Only occurs once in that. And 7 occurs the most in this set. Does not occur in this. And this will be your answer for the LCM. 2 2s, that's 4. 3 3s is 9 times 7. 4 9s is 36. And 36 times 7 is equal to 252. And there's another method that we could actually use. Let's look at that method. And that method is using a formula. The LCM of A and B can be found by multiplying A by B and then divide by the highest common factor of A and B. So the LCM of 21 and 36 can be found by multiplying 21 by 36. A little complicated multiplying, but check this out. When we find the highest common factor of 21 and 36, the highest common factor is 3. 3 is the highest number that can enter 21 and 36. Because if you look at the factors of 21, we have 3 and 7. We know that 7 cannot enter 36, right? But we know that 3 can enter 36. The 3 is the highest common factor of 21 and 36. 3 goes into 3 once, and 3 can go into 21 7 times. And so now 7 times 36 will actually give us our 250. All right, if you're not sure about that, 36 times 7, 7 6 is 42, 7 3 is 21, plus 4, 25.